Guys, happy Wednesday night. Guys, gift from Santa. Tatay gift. This is the D-Day Enhanced Modular Magazine, AK. You can use this 30 rounds or 130 rounds. Pwede pang milsim. Papi Poch, ito pwede sa'yo. Pang milsim 30 rounds or 130. May switch to dito. There's a switch. There's a switch. sorry. Not this one. This one only. There's a switch. So we'll try this for my AK-74, you baby, this is you. This one is the magazine that will try this AK-74. Oh, Francis is the back, preparing his gun for, you know. Okay, we'll see if it's sturdy. I think it's sturdy because last time it's very sturdy. The moment of truth. Push it. Yun! Take two. Twist no moving. Oh, what the heck? The best. Sa Takotan. Outerzone.ie. Outerzone.ie. Open the website. Look at the mag. The best. Look at the original. This is the original. It's okay din. Sturdy din. But it's only like very simple. Like that. But the D-Day AK Mags Modular. Yun! You see the key? Oh, you had this. I'm gonna use this. Put some tracer. Yes. Look at the finishing, guys. Guys, check this out. Open the website, outerzone.ie. Very friendly price from Santa Conrad. Outerzone.ie. Look at the finish. The best. The original, this one yung. But this one is the. Oh, sorry, this one. Not this one. Yeah, the best. That's the best. Thank you, Santa. Danilo, good one. You got it here. Danilo has it one. You okay, gang? Ito is doing is the guns as well. Where are you going? Mid cap 130. You can choose milsim 30 BBs. There is where's the button here? I think where's the button? There's a button here, you can do it and then make it 30 and then 130. Sturdy guys. Thank you Danilo, gamitin mo na yung sa'yo. Use yours. AK Boys 70 for you.